There's some turkeys up here. See them? They were literally right next to us, but we didn't get them in time. So we're going to walk in here. Don't mind the shakiness. There they are down in there. Come on, blow up. I'm going to keep going towards them, see what I can do. There's a big one right there. He's hidden pretty well, but he's right there. Right in the middle of the picture. The brush is pretty thick in here, so. You coming? It looks like I'm going to come across some mushrooms at the same time as the turkeys. I'm kind of watching where I'm walking because I have these glasses on and I'm not looking very well. But I'm going to see some chicken of the woods coming up here too, with where these turkeys were. Some chicken of the woods mushrooms. The turkeys are over here somewhere. Take a look at the mushrooms, see if they're any good. Oh, there's some good ones left. Oh yeah, there's definitely some good ones left here. As far as the birds, I think they done split. I'm going to try to walk around this brush pile here just to see if I can get a view of them. There he is, right there. Right there. I see him back in there. See if I can get a better view of them. They're going right through here. Hear them? I'm going to try to spook them. They're going down the hill. I'm not going to get at them. They're literally right in front of me. But the brush is so thick. I don't know if there's anywhere I can get through here. I'm going to keep trying. I'll probably fall. There they are, right below me. Some right down below me here. There must be young ones in there. I'm going to try to get down further here. They're walking circles around me. They're going towards Mama Cookie and Baby Slab now. Probably going to scare the shit out of them. Right in front of me here, look. I can't tell how many there are, 7, 8. There's a bunch of them in there. This hill was a killer. Let's see if I can get close again. I don't really want to go down in there. There's Mama Cookie and Baby Slab up there, so I'm willing to bet I sent the turkeys to them. They're probably right down below me here. Yep, right over there. They're running through there, so I'm gonna keep trying. There they go. There's a bunch of them. Oh, there's 10 or 12 of them. I don't know. I see one right between the trees over here. See him? There's a bunch of them. I'm trying to expand the picture. They're all over up in there. I don't know how many there are, and that's what I want to find out. So I'm going to take a walk over that way. Sorry about the length of this video. But this was like a hit and run. Yeah, I'm going to catch these birds on the other side of this hill here. I should be able to get up, sneak up to them here. Bear with me, folks. I'm old and out of shape. Well, old anyway. But I'm thinking I'm going to get to this rock pile and they're going to be right below me. And if I can get a good view, I'm going to try to sneak up to them. If they didn't go up on top of the road, we're going to get a good view of them. I don't hear them making noise right now. Be patient. I'm going to be quiet here for a minute. They're all down the bottom of the hill now. See them down there? There's 2, there's 3. I know there's got to be more. We'll walk further until we see where they went. There's some right down in there. They're right back in there. It's kind of blurry. So that's where they're at. I don't know where the other ones went. But from what we've seen walking along the hill, there was quite a few. So, oh well, that's it for now. No more turkeys. Talk to you later. Bye.